This video is on the trailer Valet. Looks like they call it a TV XL 2-inch or TV XL 2 5/16. I've kind of been looking around for one of these things because for a little while, a good year or so, I've been parking my truck out in the backyard next to that trailer. It kind of barely fits in here. Had to do this because of the scumbags out stealing stuff. I felt it was a little more secure in the backyard. So the mission today is to move this cargo trailer through the rock pit here and park it next to this trailer somewhere over here. I'm gonna have to move the solar panels. Let's see about getting this thing unboxed. Looks like the tightening tool and the crank handle and the drill adapter to use a drill motor. Not sure what that is. A sticker and an operating manual. A 2-inch ball. This and this and this piece of cardboard. The main thing. The brake is on right now, and that releases the brake. There's all the stuff it came with. I'll set about reading the instructions now. I'm still not sure what the cloth is for. Alright, I switched over from the 2 5/16 ball to the 2-inch ball. I need to get this ball tightened up on this piece. I'm going to try to do it down here on the floor. By the way, I purchased this from Costco. Included both the 2-inch ball and the 2 5/16 ball. They also included this adapter for a drill motor. No, that doesn't help. I just clamped this part in the soft jaws in the vise, and I was able to tighten the 2-inch ball. Out to the trailer we go. The instructions say to raise the trailer to about 14 inches. That's 14. It's going to have to be raised a little bit more. And more. I don't know where they came up with 14 inches. So I put a piece of OSB down here to give this thing a fighting chance. I don't know if it's going to move along the drainage rock here very well. Latch that. Now the ball is latched. Then what? Do I lower it? The way I'm reading the directions is this thing is supposed to be slightly dangling. I see. So this plate is going to tighten up to the bottom of the tongue here. I saw online where people were having trouble with this thing wobbling around, and they operated it and it moved this way and bent the tongue. I don't really want that to happen. Got a little bit of a wiggle. Not anymore. I'm going to try it with the hand crank first. I'm think this is the low gear. I'm not sure if this is low or if this is low. This one or this one. Raise it up a little bit. Oh, it's still very loose. That's bad. Really bad. I gotta wiggle this and turn this. Okay. Alright, right now the brake is on. To release the brake, you have to do that. That disengages the brake. If I get into trouble, wow. Actually, I think it only takes that much to engage the brake. There is some wiggle here, but it's down here, it's not here. Ah! See what happens. Alright, I've moved the solar panels. Before I move the big truck out of the way, I'm going to see if I can go forward and backward a little bit on this thing. I'm going to make sure this thing's not wobbling. Well, it's moving. Now I lost traction. Oh, there we go. All right. Time to move the truck. See if I can get it moving. I guess we gotta be careful. Is on. So far so good. This is a pretty lightweight 6x12 cargo trailer. It's not all aluminum construction, but it's not very heavy. That trailer will be a different story if I ever use this thing to move that. I don't know if I need to. I just ram my hand into the tongue, so if I go to the other side, making progress. I took a little break in the filming to go adjust my rock pile over there. So if this thing gets away from me, I just let go of the handle and it puts the brake on. I think I have it on the high speed one. We're in a hurry to get this done. I don't think I'm going to be able to steer very well once I get into the rock pit. How are we looking? Oh, that's pretty good. Nice. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. I think I'll move it back a little bit more so I have more room for the truck over here. It's looking good. Well, alright, so that's not getting traction. It's back down. I'm going to put a chock behind the rear wheel so it doesn't roll back. Success. I think I'm good with this. This trailer's out of the way. I'll move the truck in here. I can open the doors on the truck properly, and I can get into this trailer properly. So far so good. Mr. Trailer Valet XL. Looking good. Now we'll do a disconnect. I think I'll just store this thing inside this trailer. I really don't think I'm ever going to use it to move the big trailer. They don't give you disconnect instructions. Maybe I needed to pop this first. I think I do. There we go. Now back up. Voila. One trailer valet. So far so good. And there you have it. The first pass with the trailer valet, using it in strictly manual mode. Next time I'll probably try out the drill motor operation. It'll speed things up a little bit, but moving this light trailer around was a breeze. It worked out quite well. My truck is back here. I can get to every side of the truck just fine. Next time I'll push the trailer back a little bit to open that gap up a little bit, and we can get access to this trailer quite easily now. I like it. I just reconfigured a little bit. Moved the trailer valet to move this trailer back just about even with that 2x4 to open up space over here so I can move the truck over a little bit. This way I can get a motorcycle out of this building and cruise it right through here to get out into the great wide open.